Are you a chef struggling to grow your social media? Do any of these sound familiar?
You struggle finding time to upload, not knowing what to upload, posting what you think your target audience wants, not what they actually want, running out of ideas, leading to inconsistency. The good news is that in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to attract the right audience, create content they crave, and turn views into paying clients. Using these methods, I grew my page to over 200,000 followers, with 30 videos each gaining over 1 million views each. So if I can do it, you can too. In this video, I'll show you what's the best platform to focus on, how to optimize your social media accounts to attract paying customers, and how to find viral content in your niche. And the best part of this method isn't just the high success rate, with the number of videos that have got over 1 million views each, it's how easy this system is to replicate so you can stay consistent. So what is the best platform to target? With so many platforms, it's tempting to try them all. But speaking from experience, spreading yourself too thin leads to mediocre results. It wasn't until I started focusing on one platform that I started seeing the success I mentioned previously. In my opinion, Instagram is the best platform to focus on for chefs. This is because it combines high reach with massive engagement, with reels, stories, and shareable posts, making it perfect to build your brand, connecting with your audience, and driving sales all in one place. And with short form video content like Instagram Reels is the best format to grow quickly and attract leads. Also have the added bonus that we can repurpose these short form video into TikToks, Facebook and YouTube Short without having to do any extra work. Now that we know Instagram is our go-to platform, the next step is crucial, and that is optimizing your profile to turn casual viewers into paying clients. Your Instagram profile, like your digital storefront, is the first impression your audience gets, and it needs to instantly tell them who you are, what you do, and why they should stick around. Let's break it down step by step using an example I found on Instagram for Nicola Borden. The first line of your name, you have a max limit of 64 characters. This isn't just for your name, but also keywords for SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. When someone searches for something in the browser, you will appear if you have it in your name. So for this example, you would add chef like I have, and you could also niche down and add Italian cuisine or fine dining like I have here for another bio example. You can also add categories to help appear in searches, which I've done, and you can see here in the blue item. The first line of your bio should be what you do and how you help people. So although it says what he does, there's no tangible benefit. So I would change this here to authentic Italian cuisine for your special event, showcasing what you offer with clarity and tangible benefits to them. On the second line, there's two ways you can go here. If you're a new account, you want to find out your unique difference, what sets you apart, why they want to hire you or work with you. However, if you've got experience or social proof, add that in. For example, if you have 10 years of experience or a particular win you've had, a notable award, or the number of people you've helped, this is the line to put it on. Line 3, you want to make it as simple as possible for them to contact you, to ask them to DM you a simple relevant keyword. In this example, it's a chef, but if you're a personal trainer, this could be gym or shreds, for example. You can then set up an automatic response with ManyChat, whether that's to a questionnaire or survey form. The last line you want to capture is their email address, so you can keep in contact with them and don't lose them as a potential lead. Ideally, stay away from link trees because they often open up for a number of different options, and in my experience, the more options they have, the less likely they're going to choose one. Whereas if you just link to a singular resource, to something you think your target audience would particularly value, then they will more likely click that and provide the email in return for downloading the free resource. So for this example here, I'll put a free top 10 Italian recipes, or another example for a chef in fine dining could be free top 10 fine dining menus. You know your target audience better than me. You can create a relevant free resource for them. When your profile is optimized this way, it does more than just look professional, it works for you, converting casual viewers into serious leads. And if you need a little help putting this into action, check the description below. I've included a Google Doc with a prompt to help you craft the perfect bio tailored to your brand or your business. Remember, your profile isn't just a place to showcase who you are, it's your first pitch to potential clients. With the right name, a benefit-driven bio, clear CTA, and a resourceful link, your profile transforms from a static page into a lead-generating machine. But remember, optimization is only one step. Now you need to drive traffic to your profile. This is where the real magic happens when you combine this with strategic content creation. Which brings us to the next part, the absolute key to your social media growth and lead generation. I'm talking about the 5 research methods that take the guesswork out of creating content that gets views. If you do this research correctly, this is where you get the most inbound leads. It doesn't matter how good your editing is. If you have a poor video idea, you're not going to get any interest or any following. The 5 methods are the Instagram Explore page strategy, the Viral Finder tool, the TikTok search method, the TikTok top creator analysis, and the YouTube outlier method. These 5 methods give you the blueprint of what has already worked, showing you the outlier content your target audience wants to see, the best formats for maximum engagement, the best hook to replicate, which stop your audience mid-scroll, and how to leverage viral elements such as trending audio, visuals, and transitions, which leads you to getting more views, which means more leads, and ultimately more sales. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial for all 5 of these viral research methods and how to adapt the content specifically to you or your business, then watch this short video here.